there is one view which says that this could be, 6 months down the line, we could look back and say, well, this was the inflection point. Not because it is 1 lakh crore and is going to do, but basically it was a shift in focus, it was a shift in message. So the style factor will change from what you should look and do here. So I just wanted you to your comments on that, whether it will really be so.
I think it is one of the best budgets that we've seen in many, many years, and I tweeted it's a dream budget.
Yeah.
So first thing is that you normally want money with the public rather than with government. It should just be the general thumb rule of looking at anything, that money with public is better than money with the government. Number two, you have not taken money from one group and given it to the other, which would make it, that, oh, you are deciding. Here they are saying, you just give us less money. It's not that you've taken it from one, given it to the other. Third is, you have not said that, oh, you've cut a tax rate across the board, therefore the rich will get much more. It has come to the correct audience in that sense. Other than that, on infra and all, so then one more issue people I see in the reports that I get and on Twitter and all, oh, only 3% people are affected, only 4% are affected. So if the government announced that there'll be a new road being made between, I don't know, say Faridabad and Meerut, only 2% of Indians will use it. The South guy will say, how do I care you made a road there? Everything that you do, only 2-3% people, 5% people are affected. But the reality is that there is no capacity to invest more in a road because the big roads are being made. And if anybody believes that a road that is not doing well, is not made well, is because of money, or is it because of management, or is it because of corruption, or is it... So learn from the US. I'm telling you, Donald Trump is going to be a massive positive influence everywhere in the world, including in India. Because you will realize that tax cuts and efficient government and cutting expenditure and all that. And secondly is, for whatever reason, which is now history, this year money could not be spent on infra and could not be spent maybe a little bit on defense. So now next year, what is the point of saying I will give 25% more budget to that section? It is better to say I will implement what has been done. But the reality at the end of the day is that money with the public is the best way. And in this case also, since there is a temporary or cyclical or short-term slowdown, it is better to deal with a temporary or cyclical or short-term up by saying, hey, take money.
The last hour. Anything can happen between the bells. But what happens during the last hour is what matters the most. The biggest market swings. A close-up look at what's driving them. And how the investors are reacting. Watch the most seasoned market mavens guide you through the most important hour of the trading day. NSE Closing Bell. At these times, only on CNBC-TV18 and CNBC-TV18.com.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC-TV18 on all of our digital platforms.